Ayun po. So hanggang kailan sir pwedeng ma-enjoy ng Land Bank customers itong waived fund transfer fees?
Sa ngayon ay nananatiling libre ang fund transfers via InstaPay at PesoNet for Land Bank customers. Kaya sana ay patuloy na mapakinabangan ito ng ating mga customers at patuloy na magpadala ng pera gamit ang Land Bank digital channels. Samantala, ang fund transfers from Land Bank to Land Bank accounts or Land Bank to Overseas Filipino Bank or OF Bank accounts ay mananatiling libre at walang additional fees para po manatiling updated tungkol dito at sa iba pang promos ng Land Bank. We encourage everyone to follow and like our official social media pages na at Land Bank Official sa Facebook, YouTube, TikTok at Instagram, and at Land Bank LBP Official sa Twitter and at Land Bank sa Viber po.